Welcome to News on Point. Today's breaking news: Andhra Pradesh elections. The 2024 Indian general election was held in Andhra Pradesh on 13th May 2024 to elect 25 members of the 18th Lok Sabha. The Telugu Desam Party alliance with NDA totally secured 1,77,74,004 votes, gaining the majority of 53.37%, creating a big gap between INDI ally. They won 21 seats of 25 seats. Leader N. Chandrababu Naidu took oath as Chief Minister of Andhra Pradesh along with 24 ministers in his cabinet on June 12. The event was held at Kesarapalli IT Park near Gannavaram Airport in Vijayawada. Prime Minister Narendra Modi and other top BJP leaders were present at the event. Naidu has allocated 3 berths to Janasena Party, including the Deputy Chief Minister's post to its President Pawan Kalyan. One ministerial berth has been given to the Bharatiya Janata Party, the other ally. Apart from Pawan Kalyan, the Janasena Party leaders in the cabinet include Nandanela Manohar and Kandula Durgesh. Satyakumar Yadav is the lone BJP minister in Naidu's cabinet. Out of 24 ministers, 17 are newcomers. The cabinet includes 3 women, 8 backward class leaders, 2 SCs, 1 ST and 1 Muslim. Hoping Telugu Desam Party, NDA and Chandrababu Naidu will have a successful tenure and develop Andhra Pradesh to its greatest heights. Thank you for tuning in to News on Point. For more detailed coverage, be sure to follow our channel MES Innovatives on YouTube. Stay informed and stay safe. This is Dikshita Head signing off.